Good morning. Oh, it's a beautiful day. It is April 8th. Nice morning. Still getting a little chilly at night, but I just wanted to show you what I'm working on this morning. And before I forget, on my way home, I saw a flight of snow geese. So if you watch it to the end, you'll see them. They're just absolutely beautiful flying around. So I was glad I was able to get that on video. Okay, so here I decided I'd start videoing this so people could see what I'm doing. I'm just raking the good loose soil on the top, and I'm making some pathways, which will also be the waterways. I'm going to have 4 rows. Way over on the left is, so you'll see some fencing, and in between there are some perennial flowers and stuff, so those will just stay. But I'll have 4 rows. I'm just raking it up, getting all the good stuff where we'll be planting. And I just wanted to show you this and let you know what I was doing here. Okay, this of course is speeded up. I'm not really that fast of a worker. I do get a lot accomplished, but I just take one task at a time. I just kind of wanted you to see how this process works when you're getting some outdoor beds ready. There I'm rolling out some really good soil along the edge because I'm going to put squash plants in there, and I'll amend it with some pellets, alfalfa pellets, but that's just really good soil, which of course you want to make sure you have lots of good soil. Okay, the next step in this preparation, hope this shows up. I don't have a camera person, so I'm trying to do this myself. So anyway, these are just the smaller alfalfa pellets. There are a lot of videos out there. Well, I had a hard time finding just the right one, but I think I saved some in my gardening playlist. If you want to check that out, it doesn't really take too many. So I'm going to spread these out. Then I'm going to come back, give it a good watering. Then I'm going to cover it with black plastic, and this area is just going to sit, and we're going to let the sun kill the weeds, soften up the soil. The moisture that I put on after watering here will be held in a little bit with the black plastic, and that'll help get the raised beds all remediated and ready to plant when the time is right. I always get too eager, and I know from many years of living in Montana, you don't want to plant too early or you're going to have to replant everything because it'll freeze out. So we're just going to try to be patient and let nature tell us when the right time to plant will be. But I want to make sure I'm ready for when we get the signal that it's time to plant. So if you have any questions about these pellets, just let me know in the comments, and I have done a lot of research and I'll try to help you out if you have any questions. See how easy this is? It's a great fertilizer, and it's really inexpensive. Okay, now I'm just going to give it a good watering, activate those pellets a little bit, and have some wetness under it, and then I'll be tarping it. Okay, so I got this protected and the soil amended, and now we just let it sit. Keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. Should be pretty good though. Okay, I think I got that job done for the day, so let's just take a look and see what we've accomplished here. Looks like we got some weather coming in. So this is what I've done today, getting this set up for planting. I probably won't plant in here till the middle of May. I don't know. We got to just watch the Montana weather and see what's going to happen. But I want, since it's only April 8th, I wanted a good month to tarp this. It'll, as you saw earlier, I got the rows all ready for planting. We'll put corn out there and beans, squash along the edge. And this black plastic should kill a lot of the weeds. They're not going to kill them all. And then when we actually start planting in here, we'll just do the deep watering, see what happens. I gave these perennials down in here a little drink and some alfalfa pellets too, to give them a little bit of a boost. But look, we already have some stuff coming up. We'll see what happens. It's supposed to get cold again tonight here in Montana. It's been going down to about in the 20s at night, so even though I'm walking around in a t-shirt, it does get cold at night. So I didn't get to do too much in the greenhouse today, but that's okay. That's not going to take a lot. I'd like to amend the soil in there too. But if you have any questions about what to do to get your soil started, you still have time in Montana to do this kind of a preparation to help you out. Okay, the last part of this video is unrelated to gardening, but it's worth the watch. It's some snow geese. Wow, that was a special treat on the way home. You gotta always keep watching. You never know what nature's gonna show you. Thanks for watching Travels with Lucky. If you like it, subscribe.